So you want to attach a particle effect to a moving component. That's spawn emitter attached. Now instead of just spawning once, they stick to your socket or bone. Perfect for trail, flame, or effects tied to characters. Now to get this node, just right click and type in spawn emitter attach and you will get this node like this. But here is the catch. This node needs to be connected with something. Like for now, as you can see on the screen, we connected it with mesh. We will also connect it with the boom, and also I will try to connect it with the capsule component, and we will try all sorts of things. And you can even connect it with the bones and stuff, and you can specify the location, how far from the attached component it needs to be. But for now, we will leave this as is. But the cool thing about it is, as your player or character move, you can see the spawn emitters spawning on various locations as well. So enough with the chit chat, and let's just compile the code and see it in action. I hope the logic is very simple, so it is understood. So now let's just press begin play, and first up we are trying with camera boom. So as you can see on the screen, as soon as I press 1, it keep spawning that explosion in front of, exactly in front of camera. So it's a very cool effect kind of thing. But yeah, it's doing its thing, it what it needs to be. So let's just change stuff for now, like remove it from there, and I will show you if what if you don't connect it with anything and what happens then. So as you can see, I'm pressing 1, but it's doing nothing at all because it needs to be connected. I just showed you, so there should be no confusion left, right? Now this time we will attach the mesh. Yeah, after this we will connect the capsule component, or let's just first connect the capsule component and see what happens. So now as you can see, again, as soon as we connected the capsule component, now it's exploding with the capsule component. It's moving the target, right? Now the question is where this is used. As I already told you, it is used for weapon trails, character buffs, swords, or anything attached to bones. It keeps VFX alive as actor moves. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.